Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to actually have alternative products in Odoo. Now, when it comes to product configuration, there is two ways of having alternative product. There is product combos, which are basically, as you can see here, it are like here, as you can see in this picture. For example, you're gonna get a disk, get with it like a corner disk, right size, and then a chair. So this is like our disk organizer, here corner disk, and here like a chair. So this is the office combo, and here we have the upselling or cross-selling upselling. So you can use whatever you want from these. Both are things that could help you to display alternative products in Odoo. So the first one is product combos. So product combinations allows users to configure a set of related products to buy as a bundle. To configure combos, simply go to your websites, e-commerce, combo choices, and once finished and published, customers can choose the combo when adding the product to the cart. Depending on the configuration, certain items may occur an additional charge. The second one is cross-selling upselling. Cross-selling and upselling are sales techniques used to present customers with additional or high-tier products and services from the catalog. Cross-selling focuses on recommending accessory or optional products alongside the item being purchased during ordering and checkout. Upselling, on the other hand, encourages customers to choose a higher priced or upgraded alternative products. To configure these products suggestions, simply go to your website's e-commerce products, select relevant product, go to the sales tab, and add the desired products in the corresponding optional products and accessory products or alternative products fields. As you can see right here, so they look like this, and you choose whatever you want and fits you the best. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.